Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick in-depth review about ZOHO CRM app. So to get started, ZOHO CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform designed to help businesses of all sizes streamline their sales, marketing, and customer support processes. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools, including leads and content management, sales automation, analytics, and multi-channel communication with a free trials for up to 3 users and affordable plan paid. ZOHO CRM is particularly appealing to startup and small to medium-sized businesses. The strength of ZOHO CRM includes its extensive customization option, allowing business to tailor the platform to their specific need. Users appreciate the seamless integration with over 800 third-party application, enhanced workflow efficiency. The platform AI-powered assistants, which is provide predictive analytics and automation features which can improve the decision making and productivity. Additionally, the mobile app is user-friendly, enabling to the go access to CRM functionality. However, there are notable weaknesses. Some user report a steep learning curve due to platform vast array of features, which can be overwhelming for newcomers. Customer support has been criticized for slow response time and inconsistent assistance. The user interface, while the functionals is considered updated by some, and navigating through the system can be cumbersome. Additionally, certain advanced features and integration may require additional cost, which could be a concern for budget-conscious businesses.